Today we're exploring the design, performance, and features of the Alienware Aurora ACT1250 7 to see who it's really for. The Alienware Aurora ACT1250 7 is a high-performance desktop from Dell's premium gaming brand, designed for enthusiasts who want top-tier gaming versatility in a compact package. The key specifications of the system are quite impressive, with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060T graphics providing a massive boost to gaming performance. This is made possible by the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, which delivers power efficiency and peak performance. The Intel Core Ultra Processor 7265F provides a solid foundation for heavy workloads, while the optimized chassis with customizable AlienFX lighting zones creates an immersive experience. The design of the Aurora ACT1250 7 is sleek and modern, with a matte, basalt black finish that's both durable and visually appealing. The compact form factor makes it ideal for small gaming setups or as a dedicated workstation. However, some users may find the design a bit restrictive in terms of upgradability. The display quality isn't directly related to the desktop itself, but rather the peripherals connected to it. We can expect excellent visuals from compatible monitors and gaming displays. In everyday use, the Alienware Aurora ACT1250 7 delivers exceptional performance, handling demanding tasks like video editing and 3D modeling with ease. The system's high-performance technology ensures clean energy is consistently available, even during marathon gaming sessions or prolonged multitasking. Connectivity options are plentiful, with multiple USB ports, an HDMI output, and a range of other peripherals supported through the Alienware Command Center software. This comprehensive suite allows users to create and edit custom lighting profiles across their ecosystem, monitor performance mode across distinct power states, and even manage gaming profiles for their entire library. One notable feature is the Dell Services package, which includes 1-year on-site service. This means that when an issue covered by the limited hardware warranty can't be resolved remotely, a technician will visit the user's location to resolve the problem. While the Alienware Aurora ACT1250 7 delivers impressive performance and features, it also comes with some limitations. For example, its compact design restricts upgradability, and the price may be out of reach for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, some users may find the custom lighting system overwhelming or difficult to navigate. In conclusion, the Alienware Aurora ACT1250 7 is a powerful desktop designed for serious gamers, content creators, and professionals who demand exceptional performance and versatility. Its strengths in design, performance, and features make it an excellent choice for those willing to invest in high-end hardware. You can check the latest price and availability using the links in the description.